welcome back to another mukbang vlog. Today I am making some chuncheon dakgalbi. It's just stir-fried spicy fried chicken. I made this so many times on my channel, but today I am going to enjoy it with Tong. He is at work, but he should be heading home soon for dinner. I already pre-made the chicken thighs. It just thawed out, so it's been sitting in the refrigerator or fridge for a few days. Some extra sauce. I have Korean sweet potatoes, rice cake, and then some cabbage. Oh, just dropped it. My rice is almost done. And then, of course, I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to kind of like broil it or kind of pre-cook it here at the stove, and then we are going to move over to the dining table. I don't have apron. I am washing it. It's been so long since I washed my apron, so I don't have one. It looks like I am not ready to cook, but I am. Going to use this turkey dum. It's similar to sesame oil. I know that turkey dum is used for like mainly for like stir frying things, but this should taste so good because it's been sitting. Let me just pour this over. Yum! It shouldn't be too much. I used a small package, like a small pack for chicken thigh. So it should be plenty for 2 people, but yeah. Then we're gonna actually add the sweet potatoes now. Oh my god, it smells so good! Ah! And some rice cakes. So for my rice cakes, I have like an original rice cake and one made with flour. I really wanted sweet potatoes too, so I cut up a lot. And I should have more than enough sauce. There's a lot here and I do have extra, as you guys saw earlier. That is so yummy! Let's just add the cabbage right now. This would have been perfect if I had the sesame or the perilla leaves. But, I used all of it to make the marinated perilla leaves, so I don't have any. It's alright. Yeah, I have extra. I don't think I need it right now, but if I do, I'll just pour it over. And that's it. The key is to not over mix in the beginning. Let the chicken cook a little and then we'll kind of mix it up. So the cheese is gonna go to the table. 이게 고춧가루 매운 것 같아. Because I never add anything else.
매콤하네.
그지? I taste the 고춧가루. Or we're just getting really
weak? No.
I haven't checked Facebook in a really long time. And I checked it today. Literally everyone has a baby. All of my college friends.
그래?
Some of them already have 2.
밥 볶을까?
응. 나중에 볶으려네.
맛있다.
볶아, 이거. 튀겨놓은 거 맛있다. 먹지 마. 안 먹는다며.
I never said.
Hello everyone. It is I don't even know what day today is, but I got some McDonald's. I feel like after shopping, McDonald's is one of my favorite things to eat. Maybe because I grew up with it. I don't know. But it's very comforting. So I have my large Coke. Oh my god, so refreshing. Mini large fries. And I've been really wanting some Big Mac. I need ketchup. Please tell me everybody do this, that they put ketchup in their lid. It cannot be just me. Ooh, this looks so yummy. This nice little bun. Mmm. Mmm. So I got these fries pretty fresh, but I came home and I walked this little booger, so it got cold. I used to love cold fries for some reason, but now I want it as fresh as possible. What? Did you see the reflex? Oh, it's just so relaxing. I think I had one of the most difficult nights to sleep. I barely got any sleep actually. I got up so many times because I was just so uncomfortable. I had to use the bathroom. And just getting out of bed isn't easy. It takes me a while to get up and then all that, so I changed positions so many times throughout the night. Usually sleeping on my left side, which is recommended. That position is most comfortable, but yesterday, like, it wasn't. Like, all the position that I tried to, like, sleep in was just so uncomfortable. I felt like I couldn't breathe well. Some part of my body wasn't, like, circulating. And I look at Tong, and honestly, I thought that if I saw him sleeping so peacefully and comfortably while I wasn't, I thought I'd be pretty pissed, but I was more jealous than pissed. That I'm like, you're so lucky. I wish I could be you. Just sleep peacefully on your back, flat. You don't have to be elevated, or you had to like put your leg up or whatever. You're so cute. I love you. Ever since we moved here, not a lot, but we had a few people over here and there. I could already tell that Ame's never gonna get the same attention when the baby arrives, and I feel horrible about it. You know, Ame's a barker. I'm pretty sure you guys know this already, but when new people come over, when people come over in general, he would bark because he wants the attention. And I know that it could be annoying. I mean, it's annoying to me sometimes, so I'm pretty sure it could be annoying to people that visit. I know that in the beginning, it's probably the best for my family and friends to come over here to see the baby and all that, and to like have meals with me. But later, I think when I am pretty much recovered, I'm planning to like meet people outside of home, just because like I don't know, I don't want him to feel neglected. Bop, 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 bop. I don't know, maybe it's only me, maybe it's only him, but in general, you know, when I'm alone with him, I give him so much attention. It might not show through camera, but you know, him and I are always together. He gets so much attention from me. But when people come over, or like even my parents visit and whatnot, obviously I'm hosting. I gotta do stuff as a host, so like it's really hard for me to kind of give him his needs during that time. I mean, if my guests love Ame and like they play with him and they give him attention, then great. But a lot of times that's not the case, which is fine. It's like completely understandable, but sometimes I feel bad because I just can't, you know, give him the same attention. And he really likes attention. Look at him. I heard that dogs don't like when people touch their paws, but look at him.